Good morning student. This is class 9th and our chapter is the fundamental unit of life, that is chapter 5th, and our topic in today's class, our topic is mitochondria. Okay, जितने भी सेल ऑर्गेनल्स बचे हैं इस चैप्टर के अंदर वो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। बाकी सबने जितना हमने डिस्कस कर लिया वो अलग है और जो बचा है वो हम आज की क्लास के अंदर देखेंगे। ओके, तो आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। We know that mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell. Okay, when we see the structure of the mitochondria, then there have two membrane covering. Outer is porous and inner is deeply folded. When we see the structure, there is such type of structure. Outer is porous and inner fold is deeply folded. Inner line is deeply folded. Okay, outer is porous for maintaining the circulation from cytoplasm to mitochondria, and inner is deeply folded for what? These folds increase surface area for ATP formation. Okay, and because there is ATP formation take place, so it is called powerhouse of the cell. Okay, ATP is what? ATP is energy currency of the cell. Okay, and what is next about mitochondria? Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes. Okay, mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes, so it is able to make some of their own protein. It means that क्योंकि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर खुद का DNA और राइबोसोम्स पाया जाता है, इसलिए ये अपने कुछ प्रोटीन्स की सिंथेसिस खुद कर सकता है, यानी कि कुछ प्रोटीन्स इसके खुद भी बनते हैं। ओके, तो व्हाट अबाउट माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया? दिस इज कॉल्ड द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल एंड हैव टू मेम्ब्रेन कवरिंग, दैट इज आउटर इज पोरस for transport, for circulation or for transport to any material from cytoplasm to mitochondria and from mitochondria to cytoplasm. Okay, inner is deeply folded structure to increase the surface area for the ATP formation, and so it is called, and they have their own DNA and ribosomes. Okay, our next cell organelle is plastid. Okay, plastid. What is plastid? Plastid is present only in plant cell. Okay, here in your book there are given two type of plastid. First is chromoplast and second is leucoplast. But in some book there is three type of plastic are given, and that is chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. You know that what is chloroplast? Chloroplast is green color pigment. Okay, that are found in plant. Plastid is the cell organelles that are found only in plant cell. Okay, present only in plant cell, two type or three type sometime. When we talk about three type, then first is chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast, and second is chromoplast, and third is leucoplast. Chloroplast is for green color. Is for green color. Chloroplast is responsible for green color, and chromoplast is for colored except from green. Okay, any color except from green, any color except from green that are responsible for chromoplast. It means जहाँ क्रोमोप्लास्ट की बात होती है तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा, ग्रीन कलर के अलावा कोई भी कलर अगर प्लांट के अंदर आता है तो वो क्रोमोप्लास्ट के कारण आएगा, और अगर ग्रीन कलर आता है तो वो आपका क्लोरोप्लास्ट के कारण आएगा। ओके, एंड आवर थर्ड प्लास्टिड इज ल्यूकोप्लास्ट. इट हैव वाइट कलर और कलरलेस. इट मीन्स अगर वाइट कलर की लीव्स आपको कहीं देखने को मिलती है तो आप कह सकते हैं कि उसमें कौन सा प्लास्टिड है, ल्यूकोप्लास्ट. Or when you see colorless, then you can say there is leucoplast. Okay, so what is we see that there are three type of plastid. First is chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. First chloroplast, second is chromoplast, and third is leucoplast. Containing pigment like chlorophyll are known as chloroplast. Okay, तो जहाँ पे पिगमेंट क्लोरोफिल होता है वो जो ग्रीन कलर के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है, और साथ ही साथ ये क्या होता है, they contain yellow and orange pigment. When they contain yellow or orange pigment, they are called chromoplast. Okay, and that are responsible for chloroplast is play an important role for photosynthesis. We know that plant make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and photosynthesis take place in presence of chlorophyll, and chlorophyll are found in chloroplast. Okay, and leucoplast. What is leucoplast? Leucoplast is actually a storage organ. Okay, storage organ. Storage materials such as what? Starch, oils, protein granules are stored in leucoplast, and plastid have their own DNA and ribosome. Plastid have also their own DNA and ribosome. हमने देखा कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर खुद का डीएनए और राइबोसोम पाया जाता है, और दूसरा सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स प्लास्टिड है जिसके अंदर खुद का डीएनए और राइबोसोम्स पाया जाता है. इट मीन्स ये भी क्या करता है, अपने कुछ प्रोटीन को बना सकता है. ओके, व्हेन वी सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट, we know that chloroplast is green color pigment, and when we see the structure of chloroplast, there is grana are found. That is granum. One piece is granum, and this is grana. And grana is also called thylakoid. Okay, grana is also called thylakoid. This is stroma, liquid that are found in chloroplast, that is called liquid stroma, and such coin like structure are found in chromoplast. This is called grana. Okay, and this is chloroplast. You will read in class 10th that in grana there is light reaction take place, and in stroma there is dark reaction take place. What is light reaction and what is dark reaction, that you will read in class 10th. Okay, so our next topic is vacuoles. See, vacuoles is also found in plant and animal cell both. Okay, it is also vacuoles is a cell organelles that are found in plant and animal both cell, and it act as storage sac for solid or liquid material, liquid content. Okay, it act as a storage sac for solid or liquid content. Small in animal, when we see the difference between plant and animal cell, there is one difference are found in vacuole cell. Vacuole organelles. Vacuole is found in the size of vacuole is small in animal cell, and in plant cell the size of vacuole is large. Okay, have very large vacuole in plant cell may occupy 50 to 90% of the volume of the plant cell. It may occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. Okay, it means कि प्लांट सेल के अंदर अगर हम वैक्यूल की बात करते हैं तो वो बहुत ही बड़े साइज में बहुत बड़ा होता है, और कभी कभी क्या होता है 50 से 90% भाग जो होता है वो वैक्यूल्स के द्वारा कवर किया जाता है प्लांट सेल के अंदर. What is the role of plant vacuole in plant cell? Full of sap, cell sap. Vacuoles के अंदर cell sap पाया जाता है. Full of cell sap provide turgidity and rigidity of the cell. What is means of turgidity? Turgidity provide mechanical support of the plant. Okay, mechanical support of the plant. Turgidity is related to the functioning of transpiration that are found in plant due to stomata. Okay, so turgidity provide a mechanical support of plant. Okay, so plant vacuole full of cell sap provide turgidity and rigidity of the cell. So what we read about vacuoles? Vacuoles is a cell organelles found in plant and animal both cell. In animal cell the size of the vacuole is small, and in plant cell the size of vacuole is very large. Sometimes they occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. In plant cell the vacuole is full of cell sap and provide turgidity and rigidity of life. In cell sap, when we talk about cell sap, there is amino acid, protein, such type of solute is found in vacuoles. We know that amoeba take their food from outside and digest their food with the help of food vacuoles. Okay, in amoeba, vacuoles contain food. In amoeba, when we talk about amoeba, the vacuoles contain food. Okay, मतलब कि अमीबा के अंदर जो वैक्यूल होता है उसी के अंदर फूड होता है और उसी के अंदर फूड का डाइजेशन भी होता है. ओके, ये क्या होता है, स्टोर करता है क्या, अमीनो एसिड, शुगर, वेरियस ऑर्गेनिक एसिड एंड सम प्रोटीन, इन सब को स्टोर करता है आपका प्लांट वैक्यूल. सो हमने पढ़ लिया, क्या क्या पढ़ लिया हमने कि प्लांट सेल जो होता है वो कितने तरह के सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स, कितने सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स हैं प्लांट सेल के अंदर और एनिमल सेल के अंदर. When you see the structure, that is plant cell, there are this is vacuoles, a very when we see the size of the vacuoles, this is very large. Okay, this is nucleus and this is rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is chloroplast that are found in plant cell. Okay, and this is what, nuclear envelope and chloroplast, cytoplasm, mitochondria. This is mitochondria. Okay, so such and lysosomes. So these structures are found in plant cell and cell wall. Okay, when we see the structure of the animal cell, you can see how. Okay, this is animal cell structure. There is Golgi apparatus also found in plant cell. Okay, plasma membrane, there is no cell wall are found. Okay, centrioles, that is also only found in animal cell. Centriole is not found in plant cell. Lysosomes सब में पाया जाता है, राइबोसोम्स दोनों में पाया जाता है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया दोनों में, रफ, क्लोरोप्लास्ट ये सारी चीज़ें, साइटोप्लाज्म ये सारी चीज़ें, न्यूक्लियस ये सब दोनों में पाया जाता है. ओके, when anybody asked to write a difference between plant cell and animal cell, hope you have right. And what our next topic is cell division. Cell division. When we talk about cell division, then we know that new cells are formed in organism in order to grow, to replace old, dead and injured cell. It means हमें पता है, आपने देखा होगा कि कई बार हमारे हाथ की चमड़ी निकलने लगती है, सेल्स जो होते हैं, पुरानी सेल डेड होती है और वो निकलने लगती है, तो फिर क्या होता है, ऐसे ही थोड़ी ना रहता है, फिर नई सेल ग्रोन अप होती हैं वहाँ पे. तो वो कैसे होता है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे सेल डिवीजन होता है. ओके, तो सेल डिवीजन इज प्रोसेस बाय विच न्यू सेल आर फॉर्म्ड. ओके, cell division is the process by which new cells are formed. Okay, there are two type of cell division. First is meiosis and second is mitosis. When we talk about mitosis cell division, there is when cell grow in order to replace old, dead and injured cell. When cell divide in order to replace old, dead and injured cell, then that process is called mitosis. Okay, and when cell divide to form gamete, that is required for reproduction, then that process is called meiosis. See, that is mitosis, the process by which most of the cell divide for growth is called mitosis. The process by which most of the cell divide for growth. Okay, it means mitosis take place where there is growth. Okay, each cell is called mother cell. Each cell is called mother cell and divide, it means mother cell divide into two daughter cell. Mother cell divide into two daughter cells, and when we see the chromosomal structure of the daughter cell, they have same number of the chromosome as mother cell. Okay. So what I say, that when mitosis occur, mitosis division occur, there is mother cell. See the structure. When you see the structure, then you can better understand. This is mother cell, okay, and that is 2n structure. 2n structure, it means chromosome. 2n, so the number of the chromosomes, okay. This is mother cell. 2n, so the number of the chromosomes. Don't be confused about 2n, okay. You only know what is 2n, the structure of the chromosome, number of the chromosomes, okay. Here the number of the chromosome is 2n, okay, for understanding. When mother cell divide into two daughter cell, that is daughter cell, there is also a 2n structure, okay. It means here the same here the number of the chromosome, जितना यहाँ नंबर chromosomes का नंबर है, as the same here, okay. जितना क्रोमोजोम्स का नंबर यहाँ है उतना ही यहाँ है, जितने क्रोमोजोम्स यहाँ है उतने ही यहाँ है। डिवीजन के बाद भी क्रोमोजोम्स की संख्या में कोई अंतर नहीं है। दिस इज ऑल्सो 2n स्ट्रक्चर एंड दिस बोथ दीज टू आर ऑल्सो 2n स्ट्रक्चर। द क्रोमोजोम्स नंबर आर नॉट वैरिड। जितने क्रोमोजोम नंबर मदर सेल के अंदर हैं उतने ही आपके डॉटर सेल के अंदर हैं। ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड माइटोसिस। माइटोसिस एंड माइटोसिस प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन ग्रोथ। बॉडी की ग्रोथ होती है किसके कारण? माइटोसिस के कारण। जो माइटोसिस डिवीजन होता है, प्रॉपर सेल्स जो होती हैं डिवाइड होती हैं मदर सेल से डॉटर सेल, और फिर ये डॉटर सेल मदर सेल की तरह एक्ट करता है और फिर ये 2 डॉटर सेल में डिवाइड होता है, फिर ये भी आपका 2 डॉटर सेल में डिवाइड होता है। ऐसे ये प्रोसेस चलता रहता है, जिस वजह से सेल्स की संख्या बढ़ती है, और सेल्स की संख्या बढ़ती है तो क्या होती है? सेल ग्रोथ होती है, बॉडी के अंदर ग्रोथ होती है। ओके, एंड आवर सेकेंड टॉपिक इज meiosis. Meiosis. See the structure of meiosis. Here, where meiosis take place where there is gamete formation, and gamete take part in the reproduction. Okay, this is mother cell and there is 2n structure. Okay, they form 2 daughter cell. Okay, they have also this is mother cell, that is 2n structure, and each daughter cell again divide in 2. तो एक मदर सेल से 4 डॉटर सेल, 4 daughter cell, 1 mother cell form 4 daughter cell, and here the structure of the chromosomes is 2n and here is n. It means the structure of the it means the number of the chromosomes here is half. यहाँ पे डबल है और यहाँ उसका आधा, तो ये आपके क्या होते हैं? गैमेट फॉर्मेशन, ये गैमेट होते हैं। एंड वी नो दैट व्हेन गैमेट यूनाइट, गैमेट इट मीन्स egg cell, gamete, it means gamete. When we talk about, when we call gamete, when we take a name gamete, अगर हम गैमेट की बात करते हैं तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? आपका स्पर्म सेल, एग सेल। ओके, सो meiosis take part in the formation of gamete, that is sperm cell and egg cell. When sperm cell and egg cell, when sperm cell fertilize to egg cell, there is, when sperm cell fertilize to egg cell, there is a structure formed that is 2n structure, because sperm cell is n, egg cell is n. When sperm cell fertilized to egg cell, there is 2n structure are formed, and this is called zygote. Okay, and zygote divide, further divide and form a child. Okay, zygote further divide and further divide and form a child. Okay, यानी कि इसी से जो जाइगोट होता है, जाइगोट ही क्या होता है, डिवीजन होता है जाइगोट के अंदर, और डिवीजन होने के बाद क्या होती है, एक शिशु का निर्माण होता है, या फिर बेबी का निर्माण होता है, चाइल्ड का निर्माण होता है, और चाइल्ड फिर ग्रोन अप होती है, ग्रोथ होती है उसमें किस डिवीजन से, आपका माइटोसिस डिवीजन से, और फिर क्या होता है वो यंग बॉडी बनती है, यंग के बाद फिर बूढ़ी होती है, डेड डिके, ये प्रोसेस चलता रहता है. Hope you understand what is cell division and what is meiosis and what is mitosis, and you also understand what is cell, what is plant cell, what is animal cell, and cell organelles also. If you have any doubt about this chapter, you can ask. Thank you.